بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين ينادونك من وراء الحجرات أكثرهم لا يعقلون
إن في اختلاف الليل والنهار وما خلق الله في السماوات والأرض لآيات لقوم يتقون.
This is more than a school. It's more than a college. It's an institution that will model humanity, that will model, inshallah, next leaders.
How do we transform these schools? We will transform them by re-examining their mission in the context, in the new context, the so-called new normal time that is ushered in by these radical technologies.
When we say times change, we're not talking about the time has changed. We're talking about situations have changed. When we talk about we live in different times, the Islamic way of life and Allah's revelation is expecting that things will change. Disruption should never come as a surprise. And so for a long time, scholars have made it clear that rulings will change when things change.
The relevant stakeholders in Islamic education, ulamas, agencies and all other donors partners are urged to discuss and implement ways of maintaining desired standard and qualitative Islamic education to our people.
I urge everyone here today, particularly Al-Ansar Foundation family, to take advantage of this lecture in demonstration of your commitment to our vision of making SCC Abuja to become a model school and beacon of education in Nigeria and beyond. I therefore wish to appeal to all well-meaning individuals, corporate organizations, and governance to partner and support us as we embark on this journey of qualitative transformation of our educational system in this country and beyond for the better society.
Al-Ansar, help us. Mujahideen, help us. Those who helped Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Al-Ansar. So the founder of this institution, you are a helper to humanity, not to Islam. You are helping humanity. Wallahi billahi. Open your admission to Christians, to pagans. Let them come and understand what Islam is all about.
Wa alaikum salam.